Wabash Valley's most watched newscast continues with Storm Team 10's Joe Ostrowski.
Well, good evening, everybody. I hope you've had a good weekend so far. We've had temperatures much closer to average. At this hour, we're at 51 degrees in downtown Terre Haute, still relatively mild, particularly compared to the temperatures we saw much of last week. Still have a bit of a breeze out, around 3 miles an hour, sort of an intermittent wind overnight tonight. We are, though, tracking some showers moving in across the Mississippi River Valley and across southern Illinois, pushing in our direction. Some of these showers are already getting into some of our southwestern counties, around Flora, Illinois, for example, starting to see some showers at this point. This band of rain is going to continue moving, and it's going to move fairly rapidly, which means we're not looking at a total washout at any point tonight or over the next couple days. Let's see exactly how it's going to play out. You see that band of rain moving in across the region around 1, 2, 3 in the morning, but by and large pushing out by the time we get to sunrise, so that a lot of those Easter egg hunts, a lot of those sunrise services are going to stay pretty dry for the most part. Still some cloud cover left over from that. Most of that's going to burn off as we move through the course of the day. We're going to continue warming up into the upper 50s. A few folks are going to hit 60 degrees. Again, that's about on target with this time of year. Feeling fairly comfortable, particularly compared to the cold weather we saw last week and even last Sunday. We do have some wind in store tomorrow, about a 10 to 15 mile an hour west wind gusting to around 25 miles an hour. Of course, that's going to present a good opportunity if you've got the kids home for the weekend. Might be a nice day to go out and fly some kites, because we are again in store for a very pleasant spring day there tomorrow. Tomorrow evening, we cool down into the mid-30s. It's going to be a little cooler for a couple of days there. And on Monday, we warm up only into the low 40s. Again, a little below average, but still fairly mild in terms of what we can expect through the day on Monday. Still staying partly cloudy through much of the afternoon and into the evening hours. Now, tonight, we do have about an 80% chance of showers overnight. We're cooling down to around 46 degrees for our overnight low, mostly cloudy overnight, and there is still some west wind in play, around 5 to 15 miles an hour. Most of that rain should clear out by tomorrow during the day. We're left with 60 degrees for our daytime high tomorrow. Many of us are going to be in the upper 50s, but some of us are going to get to around 60 degrees there. Going to continue a warming trend there tomorrow. And again, looking at a fairly significant west wind, 10 to 15 miles an hour, gusting to around 25 miles an hour. Tomorrow night, we are looking at about a 30% chance of showers, scattered showers at best. Again, not a real washout there. A few of us could see some snow flurries as well tomorrow as we cool down to around freezing for tomorrow evening. Still some wind in play there. Take a look at the 7-day forecast and you'll see some warming going on through the weekend. Even though we do take one step back there in terms of temperature, cooling down into the lower 40s on Monday and Tuesday, we start warming back up through next Saturday. Lots of sunshine too toward the middle of the week, so if you've got some work to get done at home, looks like this is going to be a nice week to do it.
Perfect. Is this the first day that tomorrow is going to be the first day we hit 60?
You know, I haven't checked my records, but I do believe that
for this year, have we hit 60 yet?
I'm not entirely sure on that. I'll have to check the Storm Team 10 records department on that one. But it's one of the first for sure, and I think certainly welcome for a lot of our folks, particularly after the winter we've had.
Exactly. No matter what, get out and enjoy it.
That's absolutely
right.
right.
Especially nowadays. So.